Debunking UX myths, things people think are important in UX but are actually not. UX design is a multidisciplinary field that aims to create meaningful and enjoyable experiences for users. However, there are certain misconceptions about what truly matters in UX design. We will debunk some common myths and shed light on things that people often think are important in UX but are actually not. By understanding these misconceptions, we can focus on what truly matters and create better user experiences. Visual appeal. While aesthetics play a role in UX design, focusing solely on visual appeal can be misleading. A visually stunning interface may attract users initially, but if it lacks usability and fails to meet their needs, it will ultimately result in a poor user experience. UX designers should prioritize creating interfaces that are intuitive, functional, and user-centered, rather than prioritizing aesthetics. Using UX design tools like Axure instead of Figma may be more suitable for UX design. Following trends. Following design trends can be tempting, but blindly incorporating them without considering the specific needs of your users can lead to a superficial and ineffective user experience. Trends come and go, and what works for one product or audience may not work for another. UX designers should focus on understanding their users, conducting user research, and designing solutions that address their unique needs and pain points, rather than chasing trends. Overemphasis on metrics. Metrics and analytics are valuable tools for evaluating the success of a product, but relying solely on quantitative data can be misleading. While metrics provide insights into user behavior, they often fail to capture the emotional and subjective aspects of the user experience. UX designers should complement quantitative data with qualitative research methods such as user interviews and usability testing to gain a deeper understanding of user needs and motivations. Complexity equals sophistication. Some people believe that a complex and feature-rich interface is a sign of a sophisticated and advanced product. However, complexity can often lead to confusion and frustration for users. The true mark of sophistication in UX design lies in simplicity and ease of use. UX designers should strive to simplify complex tasks, streamline workflows, and remove unnecessary clutter to create a seamless and intuitive user experience. Designing for everyone. While inclusivity is an important aspect of UX design, it is impossible to design a product that caters to the needs of every individual. Attempting to please everyone can result in a diluted and generic user experience. Instead, UX designers should focus on understanding their target audience and designing for their specific needs and preferences. By creating targeted and tailored experiences, designers can deliver more meaningful and impactful solutions. In the world of UX design, it is essential to separate fact from fiction. By debunking these common misconceptions, we can refocus our efforts on what truly matters in creating exceptional user experiences. Prioritizing usability, user research, simplicity, and tailored solutions will lead to more successful and impactful UX designs. Let's challenge these myths and continue to evolve our understanding of what makes a great user experience.